Hello everyone. So today I was looking at this question and this question is actually very interesting because I never really thought of doing it before. Now the question is that when you have JQL, when you write JQL, there should be a way to add some inline comments. Now if you're familiar with SQL, then when you write your SQL queries, there's a way to of course add comments, because when you're writing big queries you need to of course write comments. It's always useful. And JQL is something, of course, it is not really SQL, but at the same time, it is a query that you prepare, and sometimes your JQL can be big. And the question is, or a feature request is, that there should be a way to add some comments in JQL, which unfortunately is not possible. For example, when you create a new query, let us say you search for something, and this is a query created greater than equal to minus 30 days. Maybe there should be a way to, add something here, but you can't do that. However, the way to, not really a comment, but if you want to describe this query a bit more, the first thing that you need to do, of course, you need to save it as a filter. So let us say assign is equal to current user, and come on, not this, current user, yeah, and search for it, and then give it a name, assign to current user. So when you save it, then there is an option on top called details. Click on it, and then not here. This is again painful. So what you need to do, you need to go to view all filters, and yeah, this is of course a bit annoying. And I think Jira can be improved. This can be improved definitely. So assigned to current user. No, it was there for a while. The first one, and if you go to this three dots on the right hand side, and if you click on edit, then there is an option here, describe. So description, display all the issues assigned to the current user. Not really display, but fetch to the currently logged user. Save, and that is what you can do. Not really a comment. So I totally agree. I'm sure there is some feature request somewhere. I'll find it and I'll vote for it. All right, that is it. Short video, I know, but yeah, this is something interesting and useful, and you might want to do it, because if you're working with Jira, if you're working on Jira doing a lot of wonderful things, then you may want to save your filters, but at the same time, you may want to also add some description, but unfortunately not really a comment in the query. And that is it. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.